One more concern we hear very frequently for our customers is the device availability, right? The question is usually around how do I know which devices support private 5G? Will my existing devices support 5G and so forth? And there are hundreds of 5G capable devices on the market, but not all the devices are created equal, right? Some devices may not support some specific 5G bands, some may lack some of the capabilities. So there has been some concern over the last few years, but the good news is that the situation has been improving dramatically over the last few years. We have seen a very rapid growth in the number of devices, the number of vendors, and the chipset platforms that support private 5G. And this not only includes smartphones, but also tablets, lots of ruggedized handhelds, industrial gateways, routers, cameras, AGVs, all of those. In fact, for most of the common industrial and enterprise use cases that I discussed earlier, there are multiple viable device options available today. So while basically waiting for this device ecosystem to mature, we have taken a very proactive approach as well. And over the last several years, we have worked closely with a wide range of device vendors across private 5G ecosystem. And we have tested and validated hundreds of devices to ensure that they support the features that actually matter in an environment like enterprise or industrial use cases. And this includes things such as support for specific private 5G spectrum bands, proper behavior for mobility and handovers, the QoS and traffic prioritization, security SIM-based authentication, interop with enterprise network policies, and the devices where we have certified span across multiple categories such as smartphones, ruggedized handhelds, scanners, tablets, adapters and dongles, IoT gateways, industrial hubs. In other words, this isn't limited to one device class or one vertical. It's really across all these different device classes that I show you here. And all of these tested and verified devices are categorized publicly on our website. If you go to celona.io/devices, you'll see all of these. And customers can browse device types, vendors, and find specific capabilities supported and so forth.